Hi guys! Welcome back to the Productive Co YouTube channel. In this week's video, I'm going to show you how to create a video tutorial for free. And you'll have the option to either record yourself, record your screen, or record yourself and your screen at the same time. If we haven't met already, my name is Ray, and I help service-based business owners run the back ends of their companies more smoothly. I primarily do that by teaching the best client management system for creatives called DUBSADO. One of the ways I like to help my clients in my business is by creating video tutorials for them. However, I've also created multiple e-courses by recording my screen and myself, and I've made video tutorials for team members. Now, we're not going to use professional video recording or editing software here, but you can make a pretty darn good video with this tool called Loom. In order to use it, you will need to have Google Chrome as your web browser. If you use Safari, Mozilla, or Internet Explorer, Loom won't work. You'll need to use Google Chrome. I'll put the link below this video where you can download the extension. Once you add Loom to Google Chrome, it will live in the upper right corner of your browser. I'm now going to switch to my screen to show you how to record with it. In order to record your video, you'll go to the Loom icon next to your URL bar. You will click on it and a drop-down will appear. This is where you have the option to record your screen and yourself, record your screen, or just record yourself. Now, I'll just click on camera for a second so you can see what it looks like if I record myself. There's an image of me in the lower left corner. I can actually drag that image anywhere I want on the page, and I can change the size of the circle. And just so you know, when you record, it will show you appearing from a circle, so it won't take up your full screen if you're just recording yourself. This is the camera that's built into my computer. It's not that great, so I'm going to select the camera I want to use, and this one's much more clear. I also have the option to turn off audio if I don't want to record any sound, and I can choose which microphone I want to record with. I don't personally recommend recording with the microphone that's built into your computer. I found that the quality tends to be very bad. You can get a pretty cheap microphone or earbuds with a microphone built into the cord that provide a much better quality sound. And then I have the option to show the control menu. So let me just turn that on for a second so you can see what it is. And you can see right here, there are the stop, pause, and start buttons. I don't like to show those in my video. I like them to be hidden, so I'm going to turn that off. I'll actually be able to start, pause, and stop my recordings with keyboard shortcuts. I have a free download that I will link to below this video where you can access those shortcuts and access a cheat sheet for pre-recording, recording, and post-recording. And then here you have the option to count down. So when you go to record, it will say 3, 2, 1, and that's how you know when to speak. I recommend keeping that on. I also recommend waiting another 2 seconds before you start speaking after it counts down. I found that Loom has a little bit of lag time, so just give it a couple extra seconds. You can edit out any awkward gaps later on. From here, you can hit start recording, or you can use the keyboard shortcut. So I'm going to start recording, and it's counting down. And this video is going to be kind of pixelated because I'm using another video recording software to show you how to record on Loom. But when you're recording in Loom, it will blink red on the icon. So when you want to stop, all you have to do is hit the icon again or use the keyboard shortcut. And when you're done recording, it's going to take you to Loom. Here you'll have the option to change the title of your video, and you'll also have the option to put it into a folder, and you can create subfolders and you can keep your videos really organized. You'll also have the option to add notes or timestamps here. So This video is 31 seconds long. I'll be able to hit play, and as I'm playing it back, click on this underlined portion here, and that will add a timestamp. So now it says 0 seconds, and I can put my notes here. I'll also have the capability of doing minor editing to this video. So in order to do that, you will click the scissors icon, and you'll be taken to this page. You can trim portions of your video out. So here you can see 2 different lines. You will move the first line to where you want to start cutting, and then you will move the second line to where you want to finish cutting. Anything in between those 2 lines will be cut out. You'll hit cut selection, and you can publish those changes. You can also add another trim just by clicking on that and then editing out another part. When you are happy with the cuts that you've made, you can hit publish changes and it will take you back to the spot you were just in. This little dog will pop up while it's processing the trims you've made. And now you're ready to share your video. There are a few different ways you can do this. You can copy the link and share it this way. If you copy the link, the video will play inside of Loom, so it will always take them to the page that looks just like this. You can post it in Slack, Twitter, Facebook, you can add it to a Gmail, or you can embed the code. If you embed the code, you will put the code in some other software application, and you'll watch the video from that application. So if you don't want your clients or your users to watch videos from the Loom dashboard, embedding code is the route you'll want to go. You also have this cogwheel here where you can edit your settings, you can disable comments, you can make the video downloadable, you can put a password on it, and just hit save when you're done. That's how you record a video with Loom. Just so you know, you can only record your videos in Loom with 1 take. So if you need to stop recording your video for some reason, you can go ahead and pause it and then unpause it later. However, you cannot currently create multiple videos and splice them together with Loom. You can only record 1 video. So that's just something to keep in mind. And remember, you can always edit out the parts where you make mistakes. Now, the start and stop button will show automatically in the default settings on the bottom of your screen. However, there are shortcuts in Loom where you can hide those and where you can start recording without showing your bookmarks bars. I've created a free cheat sheet that you can download to give you those shortcuts for the video recording. And that's all for today. Now you know how to create a simple video tutorial using Loom. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And if you like this video, I would so appreciate if you gave it a thumbs up and subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you for visiting my corner of the internet today. Once again, my name is Ray, and I'll see you around.